Today I'm making tequila lime chicken. Marinating some chicken breast for about 4 hours. Salt and pepper on just a little bit. Also my last batch chicken. And the chicken is looking really good, nice marks on it.
Are you done?
Yeah. I'm gonna use the marination to help with making the sauce. Saute some garlic and onion for the sauce. Oh, here. For the sauce and some about a quarter stick of butter. Make it flat. Oh.
Yay!
Yeah.
Yeah, help me cook it.
Don't get your hands on the stove. You don't want to get burned, right? You're not gonna get burned. I'm saying if you put your hands on the stove. Dump the tomatoes in there. Just the tomatoes on it. There you go. This one too. All right. Colors are the red and the white onions and stuff. Now I'm gonna add this. I want you to step back because this has alcohol in it. You don't have to run. Step back there. Here, stir it up a little bit with that. Stir around this part too.
That's the big spoon.
Oh, this is a spatula.
She's not hers.
Okay.
That spoon?
It's hot, on it. I'm gonna add a little bit of cream.
Why? It's delicious.
Like it? Okay. It's a little pinch. Spread it all around. Not on the stove, but inside the food. All right, that's enough salt, baby. This is hot, baby. How about tequila was enough for the whole recipe. Got the rest of it. We'll cover this and let it simmer for 15 minutes and then it'll be ready. It's looking really good.
Wow.
Okay.
It says a potato. That's a potato.
Vegetables are still pretty vibrant, huh? They're really bright. Get a piece of chicken here. Place it right about there. Get a little bit of juice going on there. It's broke in half like that.
Oh, what happened?
What happened? You happened.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. You want to face the food? Now, we need to test it, right? You want to taste it first?
Yeah.
How does it taste?
It's a chicken.
Let's see what you're talking about. And get a little bit of piece and have a little bit of the potatoes on there.
I don't want it. A potato.
You want potato?
Yeah.
It's a cheesy potato. Good? Tequila lime chicken with cheesy mashed potatoes. Put a little bit more sauce on there. I like that. And tomatoes too. That's a tomato. Can you believe that?
I'll taste the tomato. I'll taste the tomato.
This is a tomato right here, baby. It's a stewed tomato, I guess.
I want to taste the tomato. It's hot there.
Blow on it. It's a tomato.
It's hot. I taste it.
Yeah, 5 hours later. This is a quick, simple and easy. It's also a healthy meal for your family. Yes. How does it taste?
Tomato.
Tomato. It tastes tomato.
Tomato.
Does it taste good though? There you have it. Number 10.